Find or read reviews that people are talking about EWEADN Typewriter style mechanical gaming keyboard. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Retro Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard. The Typewriter gaming keyboard has mechanical custom pink switches that feature a smooth linear feeling, and low resistance without a tactile bump feel. Round keycaps of the Punk mechanical keyboard look like a classical typewriter. Keycaps have a matte texture and upgraded touch feel, and the sound is quiet when the button is pressed lightly, giving you a comfortable typing feeling and a stable click touch. Multimedia and backlight LED control. Mechanical gaming keyboard with a multimedia knob to control volume and light. This backlight LED keyboard has 19 lighting effects. Press FN button +1 to about 8 number button to choose the game backlight modes. 5 levels adjustable backlight brightness, FN button +up/down button, and speed, FN button +left/right button. 3 volume buttons next to it can quickly adjust the previous song, the next song, and the pause. Mac/Win wide compatibility. The wired keyboard is equipped with pink Type-C cable lines. The Type-C lines provide the computer gaming keyboard with more stable transmission to reduce latency and respond at high speeds. In addition, suitable with Windows 7, 8, 10, XP, Vista Linux and Mac OS systems. Press and hold FN and Tab button at the same time to switch systems. No driver or software is required. Metal panel and electroplated Punk keycaps. The Typewriter gaming keyboard panel is made of top-grade aluminum alloy, with a metallic matte texture, sturdy and robust enough to protect it from scratch. The floating keycaps are carefully crafted using metal plating technology, with a unique monochromatic light that instantly makes your keyboard look stunning and enhances the feeling of the wired backlit keyboard. 104 keys anti-ghosting. This mechanical gaming keyboard adopts anti-ghosting technology for all keys. When multiple keys are pressed at the same time, the volume roller gaming keyboard can accurately identify each key operation, avoiding key conflicts and errors. The trouble of touching. Whether high-speed typing work or enjoy gaming, you can experience precise and smooth input. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.